What's up, people? So this is a very special unboxing. Can you tell? It's a wrench statue. As you can see, I'm doing my cosplay right now. Also not the mask, because if I do like this, you don't hear me. Do you? You already don't hear me that really good, because I don't have a good microphone. So yeah, I'll put this one right here so you can see my face a little bit. Let's get started. Of course, if you use cutters or a knife or whatever, always be careful what to do. So people did ask me what was the reason I started cosplaying Wrench, because, well, I think he's fucking cool, okay? Sorry for my cuss words, but yeah, I think he's fucking cool. After the debacle of Aiden, I liked the Watch Dogs first game, the second or third, T-Bone on the girl. They were better than Aiden as a character. I think this will be the same. You know, I still think that Wrench just is cooler than Marcus. Sorry. I think it's cool that they used a more popular kind of character this time. Still, yeah, I like a bit more punk, so I really like Wrench. Yep, this is a statue of the dude Wrench. Yeah. How awesome is this? Let's see. So yeah, I just like Wrench better, so I started to cosplay him. I do have the full mask, but the first time I did the full mask, the glasses, they fogged up from the inside, because, well, I always do that. I always have the sniffles. That's what you get when you live in the Netherlands. You're really sick a lot of times. So yeah. Oh, too bad you can't see that. It's too dark. But inside you see a little bit of San Francisco, which is the game's home base. Home. So yeah. See. The cool thing for me was about cosplaying Wrench was that the first guys that asked me to go on a picture and said, "Hey, you have a really cool cosplay. We're the guys from Ubisoft." So yeah, it was a good experience for me. It's also the first cosplay that I made myself. Well, my mom helped, but it's like from scratch. And of course I bought those glasses. But yeah. Another one. And we're almost done. He's free. There we go. As you can see, I based it after him. I had to sculpt it a little bit for my body because, well, the dude's way skinnier than me. I wish I had his body size. Usually I have the tattoos, I have my own tattoos, but usually I do his tattoos and stuff like that. Of course, that's I got it all, which is really, really cool. I really like this one. In the back. Yeah. Yes, I just whistled. Why? I really don't know. Even has a set of glasses so you can change them. See if we can. The reason why I laugh because you don't see Wrench's face. It's gone here too, which is funny. Well, on another. Let's try this one too. Why not? If we're doing it anyway. There we go. Which one is cool? I think this one's the coolest. I like the little winky name. So yeah. Oh. Put these right there. Right there, like that. So yeah, that was my quick little unboxing from the guy that cosplay called Wrench. And of course, like always, remember, stay geeky.